Do you know what happens if you take a short walk after eating? Your muscles get activated, and then your blood sugar won't spike as high, meaning your insulin can stay nice and low. I'm on vacation. I'm in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. You can see the marsh behind me. This isn't my usual walk with my dog, but it's going to help just as much. I just had a pretty big meal. This is going to, again, help absorb that blood sugar, keeping everything nice and level. I will not have a crash after eating because it's being absorbed. So get out there and take your walk after eating.